Hello, friends! Welcome to the color car. Look at the colorful road. Wow, a red car is coming. Red car, red color. Look here, a blue car is here. Blue car, blue color. See the yellow garage. Yellow color is bright. Red car, blue car, yellow place. Colors are fun to learn. Good job, cars. Let us learn more colors. Look at the green road. Wow, a green car, green color. Look here, an orange car is here. Orange color. Match the cars with colors. Green car to green place. Orange car to orange place. Colors are bright and fun. Cars look shiny and nice. Are you ready for more colors? Let us continue. Look at the purple world. This is a color. Wow, a purple car is here. Purple car, purple color. Look at this. A pink car is coming. Pink car, pink color. Drive through the color tunnel. Purple car, purple tunnel. Pink car, pink tunnel. Colors are beautiful. Cars are happy. More colors are coming next. Let us keep playing. Look at the brown and gray road. Wow, a brown car is coming. Brown car, brown color. Look here, a gray car is here. Gray car, gray color. Match the car with the garage. Colors are easy to learn. Cars look clean and bright. More colors are coming soon. Let us continue. Look at the white and black. Here comes a white car. White car, white color. Look, a black car is here. Black car, black color. Open the right color door. White car, white door. Black car, black door. Cars show their colors. White is bright, black is strong. Let us learn the next colors. The continues. Look at the orange desert road. Wow, the orange car is driving. Orange car, orange color. Look, a teal car is here. Teal car, teal color. Jump over the color bridge. Orange car jumps on orange bridge. Teal car jumps on teal bridge. Let us keep learning new colors. The game is not finished. Hello, friends. Look at the red city road. Wow, the red car is moving. Red car, red color. Look, a silver car is here. Silver car, silver color. Lift the car to the color platform. Red car to red platform. Silver car to silver platform. Colors make cars look special. Cars spin and shine. Let us learn more colors next. Look at the green jungle road. Silver car, silver color. Here comes the green car. Green car, green color. Look, a lime car is coming. Lime car, lime color. Slide the cars on the color. Green car slides on green path. Lime car slides on lime path. The cars look bright and fun. Colors are easy to learn. More colors are coming next. Let us keep playing. Look at the blue ocean road. Blue car, blue color. More colors are waiting. Let us continue. Look at the golden sand road. Yellow car, yellow color. Look, a gold car is here. Gold car, gold color. The cars look bright in the sunlight. Colors are fun to see. Green road. Dark green car, green color. Green car goes on dark green ramp. Light green car goes on light green ramp. The cars look bright and nice. Colors help us learn. Let us continue learning colors. Look at the violet sky road. Violet car, violet color. Magenta car, magenta color. Next color. Look at the Rainbow Mountain Road. Here comes the red car, red color. Blue car, blue color. Red car to red hill, blue car to blue hill. Let us continue the color car. Look at the orange sunset highway. Orange car, orange color. Look, a sky blue car is here. Sky blue car, blue color. Next color. Look at the emerald green road. More colors are coming next. Look at the sapphire blue highway. Look, a navy car is here. Navy car, navy color. More colors are coming next. Look at the yellow sunshine road. Here comes the yellow car, yellow color. Look, a lemon car is here. Lemon car, lemon color. The cars look bright and nice. Colors are fun to learn. More colors are coming next. Look at the purple night highway. Here comes the purple car. Purple car, purple color. Look, a lavender car is here. Lavender car, lavender color. Drive on the matching bridge. Purple car goes to purple bridge. Lavender car goes to lavender bridge. The cars look bright and fun. Colors make learning easy. Thanks for watching video.
TV, subscribe now.